For the floating diamond stitch, we're going to chain an even multiple of 4. I did 16 for this sample. Then you're going to find the 5th chain from the hook. Yarn over twice. Insert hook in that 5th chain. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, insert in the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over again, insert in the next, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. You got 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 3. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. So basically you worked 3 double crochets together and made a double crochet on top of these 3 double crochets. Then you're going to yarn over twice again and work a treble in the next chain. As you can see, this treble has a bottom part and a top part. We are going to work 2 double crochets in the bottom part of this treble. So yarn over, insert in the bottom part, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, and yarn over through 2. Repeat this one more time. So this is the opposite of the first group of stitches, because now you have a double crochet at the bottom and 3 on top. And that's basically all you have to do for this stitch. So we're going to repeat until the end of the chain. So work 3 double crochets together with a double crochet on top, a treble in the next stitch, and 2 DCs in the bottom part of this treble. That's one and another one. And again work 3 double crochets together with 1 double crochet on top. And in the last chain we're going to work a treble. That's the first row. Now we're going to chain 4 and turn. And on top of that first group of stitches, we are going to do the opposite. So now we're going to make a treble and work 2 double crochets in the bottom part of the treble. And now we're going to work the 3 double crochets together with a double crochet on top. Repeat this until the end of the row. And end with a treble in the 4th chain from the beginning of previous row. And voila, that's it, the floating diamond stitch.